Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is August 28th, 2024, and we've got a lot to cover in the world of Tesla and beyond. From groundbreaking technology unveilings to intriguing industry shifts, we'll dive into the latest happenings. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. At Hot Chips 2024, Tesla introduced its innovative Tesla Transport Protocol over Ethernet, or TTPoE, designed to boost low-latency applications for its Dojo supercomputer. This new protocol aims to overcome the limitations of traditional TCP, offering microsecond-scale latency and hardware offloading while maintaining standard Ethernet infrastructure. TTPoE simplifies connection management, crucial for Tesla's high-speed data needs, and contrasts with other solutions like InfiniBand by managing congestion through hardware. In a surprising move, Tesla has removed its original secret Tesla Motors master plan from its website. This manifesto, penned by Elon Musk in 2006, outlined Tesla's vision for decarbonizing transportation. The removal coincides with Tesla's shift towards AI and robotaxi development. Despite Tesla's success with models like the Model 3 and Model Y, the company faces increasing competition and scrutiny over its self-driving technology. Musk's political affiliations have also raised questions about his environmental commitments. At the World Robot Conference in Beijing, Tesla's Optimus robot was notably absent from the action, remaining static behind glass while competitors showcased their humanoid robots in action. This absence raises questions about Optimus's capabilities and Tesla's readiness in the competitive robotics market. Despite Tesla's promotion of Optimus on social media, the lack of a live demonstration at such a prominent event could be seen as a setback. Tesla's self-driving technology has yet to be implemented in the Boring Company's Las Vegas tunnels. Despite years of development, the Boring Company had planned to integrate Tesla's self-driving system to eliminate drivers, but human drivers are still required. This raises doubts about Tesla's capabilities in achieving full autonomy, especially compared to competitors like Waymo. Concerns have been raised about Tesla's inventory data, suggesting the company may have been misleading investors about its inventory levels since Q3 2019. Critics argue that Tesla's method of calculating inventory days is flawed and lacks transparency. The company faces challenges with rising inventory levels and a lack of new models, which could lead to financial difficulties. Tesla's plan to open its Supercharger network to non-Tesla electric vehicles is progressing slowly, leaving many potential users frustrated. Despite an increase in adapter production, software and hardware issues have delayed the network's accessibility. This has raised concerns that Musk may be reconsidering the decision, fearing it could benefit rival automakers. Consumer Reports has released its first-ever ranking of used car brands, with Lexus and Toyota topping the list for reliability. Tesla, however, ranked near the bottom. The report emphasizes the importance of checking reliability ratings for specific model years, providing valuable insights for consumers navigating the used car market. A man was arrested in North Carolina after being found asleep at the wheel of a Tesla with autopilot engaged. The incident highlights concerns about the misuse of autonomous driving technology and the dangers of impaired driving. The driver faces multiple charges, including drug trafficking and reckless driving. The automotive industry is facing significant challenges as major manufacturers announce delays and cancellations in their EV plans. Companies like Ford and GM are struggling to compete with Tesla amid a perceived lack of consumer interest. However, the article argues that the EV market is not doomed, reflecting a typical cycle in capitalism where established companies react slowly to disruptive innovations. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. As always, you can find links to all the stories in the episode notes. Stay tuned for more updates and discussions on the latest in technology, AI, and the automotive world. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.